Hello everyone, ମୁଁ welcome କରୁଛି ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ biology lessons with Kalyani Odia रे आजी आमे chapter 1 that is living world रो second part टा को cover करिया को जाउचु जोठी कि आमे taxonomic hierarchy उपरे डिटेल रे पढ़िबा को जाउचु ओके लास्ट क्लास रे मैं देखिलु हमर साइंटिफिक नेम केमती दिया जाए बाइनोमियल नोमेनक्लेचर कोन क्लासिफिकेशन कोन टैक्सोनॉमी कोन आउ टैक्सोनॉमिक हायरार्की रो डेफिनेशन भी हमें देखिलु आजी हमें डिटेल रे सब टैक्सोनॉमिक लेवल्स कोडा को स्टडी करिवु फर्स्ट वी विल सी व्हाट इज टैक्सोनॉमिक हायरार्की डेफिनेशन दा देखि देबा it is a stepwise arrangement of categories in which organisms are arranged based on similarities and dissimilarities ता माने जहां भी हमर organisms अछि आमे ताकू फर्स्ट कैरेक्टराइज करिबा आइडेंटिफाई करिबा तांकर similarities and dissimilarities and then on the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities we will arrange them in specific order the levels which we obtain during the classification they are known as taxon okay and when each taxon is arranged in specific way it is called as taxonomic hierarchy clear hela ebe tume remember करथिबो जदी highest ru ame lowest jiba kingdom phylum class order family genus au species आ गोटे important point ame discuss करथिले when we go from kingdom to species what will happen the number of organism in each level will decrease okay highest number of organisms found in kingdom lowest in species okay a variation kon haba variation ta bhi decrease haba when we go from top to bottom our similarity between the organism increases okay clear ebe ame each level ko detail le dekhiba एबे हमें देखिबा species which is the first level of taxonomic hierarchy okay जदि हमें देखिबा it is the most basic taxonomic unit or basic unit of classification okay define केमती करिबा species is a group of individual organisms that have fundamental similarities माने organisms रो जदि very close similarity थिबो they can be grouped as species आउ कोन अछि and they can be distinguished from closely related species based on morphological differences okay जदि हमें closely related species for example Panthera tigris naba which is tiger and Panthera leo naba which is lion सेमानकर very close similarities अछि but between the species there are distinct morphological characters right on the basis of that we can distinguish different species clear hela point next point hela members in the species resemble each other the most तो जदि आमे species level रे देखिबा organisms in this level share maximum similarities with each other okay they show minimum variation au number of organisms जदि आमे species level रे देखिबा it is the least compared to other levels in the taxonomic hierarchy clear तो species name को आमे scientific name रे लेखु आमे already पढ़िछु binomial nomenclature रु सेटा लेखु example Panthera tigris Panthera टा तमरो genus और tigris टा तमरो specific epithet clear हला एबे हमें देखिबा second level that is the genus is a group of closely related species तमाने closely related species को आमे group करि परिबा in another taxonomic unit which is called as genus scientific name जदि आमे देखिबा the first word in scientific name represents the genus आमे already discuss करिचे and what is the characteristics of genus members share many common characters okay dida example nei jiba first plant रे देखिबा solanum genus जदि आमे देखिबा it has three species under it Solanum tuberosum which is potato Solanum melongena which is brinjal Solanum nigrum which is black nightshade also tomato bhi adre asiba tomaro Solanum lycopersicum all of these are species grouped under the genus Solanum तांकर common characteristics कोन common characteristics हला अंकर wheel or star shaped flower थिबा and petals fused थिबा at one point तांकर कोन लाइक स्टैमेन थिबो जदि बायगणर फूल तम माने देखिथिबो टमाटो फूल देखिथिबो all the flowers they have the stamen which is fused as a cone. Okay, alternate leaf pattern thiba, fruit type berry thiba, aw emane special chemical release karanti which is known as solen. So emane, that's why they are grouped under the genus Solanum. Okay, similarly ame dekhiba Panthera. Panthera genus under re tamara organisms asanti which are roaring, which are carnivorous in nature, mane meat eaters जो माने रोर करंती, which have retractable claws, माने कोन claws से भीतर को पसी जाउथुबो, have a solitary lifestyle, have binocular vision. Examples of different species are Panthera leo which is lion, Panthera tigris which is tiger, Panthera pardus which is leopard. ए दिटा तमरो बुक रे अछि, very easy to remember. आमे diagram टिके देखि देबा which will make it more easy. Image रे Solanum genus under a different species mention अथंती. देखो Solanum nigrum, Solanum melongena which is brinjal, Solanum lycopersicum which is tomato, Solanum tuberosum which is potato, Solanum xanthocarpum which is yellow berried nightshade. तमे तांकर flower रो pattern को देखो, flower रो morphology जदि देखिबो, all of them share similarity. Okay, 5 petal achanti, fused at the base achi, tankara ए जो stamen achi, it is fused like a cone, right? That's why they are under the same genus. तो species काहेकि different हेले, जदि तांकर edible part देखिबो, habitat देखिबो, that is different. बाइगण को आमे जेमती खाउचु tomato आमे different way रे खाउचु, potato it develops as a tuber. So these are cultivated vegetables, while जदि Solanum nigrum और xanthocarpum देखिबो सेमाने wild herb. That's why they have distinct morphological characters to be placed in different species, but similar characteristics like flower pattern and fruit pattern, all of them are berries, they can be grouped together in the genus. Clear hela? Similarly, जदि हमें Panthera genus को देखिबा, all of these are carnivorous, retractable claws, binocular vision, solitary living. All of these are common points, but tankara morphological differences achi which is striking. For example, lion ro mane achi, tiger ro striations, leopard और jaguar जदि देखिबो, that are different, snow leopard ra auri different. So these different like morphological characters make them to be grouped as different species, but common characters make the Panthera leo, tigris, pardus, onca and unicea to be grouped under same genus, that is Panthera. Clear hela? Next taxonomic level dekhiba, which is family. It consists of related genera, माने जो genus मानक भितरे still morphological similarities or reproductive similarity थाए, they can be grouped under a common level which is called as a family. माने many genus they will make the family which share common characters. Okay, जदि हमें level of similarity compare करिबा with respect to the genus, ताले similarity within the organisms decreases compared to the genus. Okay, example देखि दबा plants रे तमरो जदि हमें Solanaceae family देखिबा, the members in the Solanaceae family they have same vegetative and reproductive structure. Difference कौन था? Difference within the genera is respect with the fruit structure, anther dehiscence, calyx structure, केमितिका alkaloid से मैंने synthesize करूँती, right? For example, जदि तुम्हें Solanum, Petunia और Datura को देखिबा, Solanum रे you have berry type of fruit, while Petunia और Datura रे you have capsule type of fruit, right? So these are the differences with respect to the genus within a family. Okay, animal example देखिबा, Panthera genus under रे हमें already देखिले tiger, lion, leopard अछंती. आउ जदि हमें common cats नबा which is Felis domestica, all of these share common morphological characteristics. That's why they can be placed under one cat family. Difference कौन था? Difference था तांकर striking striations उपरे, size उपरे. That's how they are placed under different genuses and species. Okay, so dog ta jodi mu pacharibi, dog also belongs to Felidae or not? Dog belongs to another family which is known as Canidae. Okay, and which have a well developed canine in them. Our dog, along with dog we also have foxes which are there in the Canidae family. Okay, सोलानेसी फैमिली को जदि तुमे देखिबो तांकर कॉमन ईच जीनस भितरे तमर कॉमन कोन रहउची कॉमन तांकर फ्लावरिंग पैटर्न रहउची व्हिच इज कॉमन बिटवीन द जेनस किंतु व्हाट इज डिफरेंट जदि फ्रूट टाइप तुमे देखिबो ताले फ्रूट टाइप तमरा ब्रिंजल आउ तमर सोलानम फैमिली ब्रिंजल आउ टोमेटो तमर सोलानम फैमिली तमर दतुरा को जदि देखिबो इट हैज कैप्सुलर फ्रूट व्हाइल brinjal and tomato they have what berry type of fruit the fruit or habitat domestic usage all of these are different but basic floral pattern and reproductive structures are same okay similarly jodi hame cat family or felidae family ko dekhiba it has lion tiger leopard jaguar and also the domestic cat in it now tankara similarity kon carnivorous nature retractable claws okay and they have very sharp teeth so difference kon thai difference thai with respect to their size dekhibo samastingar size ta different tangar habitat ta different behavior ta different so on the basis of this they can be classified into different genuses but still because they have common similarity they are under one cat family clear एबे हमें देखिबा ऑर्डर व्हिच आर नथिंग बट ग्रुप ऑफ रिलेटेड फैमिलीज एटी कोन हुए सिमिलरिटी टा पुनी डिक्रीज करे एग्जांपल जदि हमें देखिबा ऑर्डर पॉलीमोनियल्स इन केस ऑफ प्लांट्स अंडर ए सोलानेसी फैमिली और कन्वल्वुलासी फैमिली आसीबा सिमिलरिटी कोन पॉलीमोनियल्स रे अंडर रे जहां भी फैमिली आसीबा तांकर रिप्रोडक्टिव स्ट्रक्चर सेम रहइबा किंतु डिफरेंट हैबिटेट स्टेम डिजाइन ऑफ फ्रूट टाइप in the families under it dekha jibo okay similarly animals re jodi dekhiba order carnivora which is nothing but meat eaters under a coco family asibo felidae family which is a cat family asibo canidae family which includes the dogs foxes seta bi asibo okay common kon anka bhitare meat eating habit is common in between them एबे हमें देखिबा क्लास which is the next level it is made up of related orders example देखो class mammalia under a coco order asiba order primata which is adapted to the arboreal life or tree living life example monkeys apes lemurs और humans भी under है asiba और तापरे order carnivora भी asiba या under है और meat eater order भी तमरा mammalia under है asiba प्राइमेटा और कार्निवोरा एमानक भितर कॉमन कोन देखो all of them it feeds on milk which is produced from the mammary glands that's why they are under the class mammalia okay so mammalia includes monkey gorilla gibbon tiger cat dog human all of this okay and they are related by the mammary glands is that clear एबे हमें आसीबा नेक्स्ट लेवल को which is phylum in case of animals and division for plants okay very important देखो plants have division and animals have phylum okay now phylum consists of related classes example jodi dekhiba example of phylum is chordata what are chordata means they have a common characters that is presence of notochord and presence of dorsal hollow nerve cord तो जो भी animals भितरे notochord और dorsal hollow nerve cord थिबो all of them are categorized under phylum chordata okay and what comes under it fishes asiba amphibians asiba reptiles birds mammals all are classified under chordata okay now plants jodi hame dekhiba they have division instead of phylum okay now ame jodi dekhiba what are the divisions under the plants bryophytes or bryophyta pteridophytes of pteridophyta gymnosperms or angiosperms we'll know more about them in coming chapters okay now next highest level of taxonomic hierarchy is kingdom okay now what are the two types of kingdom that are there animal kingdom and plant kingdom animal kingdom is called as kingdom animalia and it consists of all the animals and plant kingdom it is known as kingdom plantae and it consists of all the plants जोड़ा हमें discuss कर लो bryophytes pteridophyte gymnosperm angiosperm all the divisions will be coming under the kingdom plantae clear एबे आमे summary जदि करिबा taxonomic hierarchy रो देखो similar individuals are called as species while related species are called as genus. Related genera जदि आमे देखिबा they are known as family. Our related families they are known as order. Our related orders they make the class, and related class again make up the phylum for animals and division for plants. Now the highest category or the highest level is known as kingdom. Okay, clear until now? एबे आमे देखिबा किछि examples of the taxonomic hierarchy. First one hela lion, तार scientific name hela Panthera leo. Okay, now we know that second term in the scientific name represents a species. Okay, so species kon hobo yara leo. Okay, genus hobo the first word in the scientific name or the Panthera. Family kon hobo cat family or Felidae. Order jodi ame dekhiba they are meat eaters, that's why it will come under carnivora. Class kon asibo they have mammary glands, feed on milk, that's why they will be under the class mammalia. Phylum kon hobo, phylum hobo chordata because they have dorsal hollow nerve cord as well as notochord, that's why they will be categorized under chordata. Then because it's an animal it will be placed under kingdom animalia. Clear? Similarly ame dekhiba gote plant ro potato, तार scientific name hela Solanum tuberosum. Okay, species ta hela तार Solanum tuberosum, specific epithet hela tuberosum. Genus jodi dekhiba it shows the first letter. Okay, so Solanum is the genus. Family kon hobo Solanaceae. Okay, order Polymonials ame already dekhi sarche because it is a dicot it will be under the class Dicotyledonnae. Okay, and division kon rahiba yara Angiospermae. Okay, and kingdom ame jodi dekhiba it is a plant, so it will be under kingdom plantae. Is that clear? Ebe ame dekhiba kichi examples of organisms with their taxonomic categories, and it is given in your NCERT textbook, so eta remember kariyaku padibo. It is very important. Okay, dekho first one dekhiba man. Man ame janichu our biological name is Homo sapiens, so genus kon hobo the first letter, that is Homo. Family kon Hominidae. Okay, order Primata. Class kon hobo because we feed on milk, so mammalia. Okay, Primata order kemti mane rakhiba, monkeys, apes, humans, lemurs mane samaste under primata asiba, that's why we are also called as primates. Okay, again we have nerve cord and also the notochord, that's why we will be under the phylum Chordata. Clear? Next ame dekhiba gote insect which is housefly. Okay, now housefly ର biological name hela Musca domestica, very important. तो genus टा कौन हबो, first letter Musca, family Muscidae. Okay, order तार कौन Diptera, class because it's an insect it is an insecta. एडी phylum कौन रहिबो Arthropoda. Okay, mango जदि हमें देखिबा which is a plant, तार biological name hela Mangifera indica. Genus first letter ta represent karibo, so Mangifera. Family are dekhiba Anacardiaceae. Order Sapinidales. Class kon hobo Dicotyledonnae because it is a dicot. Phylum to iti rahibani, plant to division rahibo. Division hobo yara because it's an angiospermae. Okay, similarly last one dekhiba wheat which is a scientific name hela tara Triticum aestivum. Genus first letter hela Triticum. Family yara kon rahibo Poaceae rahibo. Order hela Poales because it's a monocot. Class yara rahibo Monocotyledonnae. Division jodi ame dekhiba it is an angiosperm, so it haba angiospermae. Okay, we will know more about all the divisions in the subsequent classes. For now you can remember this table. Okay, with this amara chapter 1 the living world sorry jaichi. I hope everyone is clear with the concepts. Jodi kichi doubt rahitiba please feel free to comment, I will be happy to answer. Okay, next video ta amara rahiba chapter 1 ra practice PYQ upare au important PYQ liners upare, so don't miss the videos, it will going to be very helpful. Okay, and if you found today's video to be useful, please like the video, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you everyone. Have a very good day.